Everybody, Ryan here from Madrid Coliseum, unboxing the Pixel Watch 2. The Pixel Watch 1 has served me well, but it definitely gets a lot of scratches all over it. So I'm looking forward to the fact that they said this was way more durable. So let's take a look at just by unboxing this. Can I... Come on. Oh, I gotta peel that off there. There we go. Nope. Come on. Come on, I don't want to have to pull anything out. I don't have to. Should I just be able to pull? There we go. I got brains. I'll figure this out. Ooh, that's a funky, stylish looking way to... And look at that band comes out. That's cool how they do it that way. Then flips out that way. We get another band and the charger right here. I was disappointed to hear that the charger was different this year. It's got these little pins. Then the other one just had a pad that it rested on. So a little upset about that, but you know, I will survive. Where's the other watch band then? Oh, it's probably on. Oh, that's just a longer one. Right. A spare longer one. I think the other one had that too. So how do we get this out? Okay. Let's see. How do we get this off though? I don't want to rip anything. I never like to rip anything if I don't have to. Right. Okay. Pull all that off. That can go back in here as a memento. Right. Look at that. That crown definitely looks bigger. Let me pull this off here. Feels a little bigger. No, not really. Does that have a bit of a gold on its dial? Is it a color choice that we have on this? A little bit gold versus silver there, a little gold on the edge. That feels like it's a little bigger, this one here. But yeah, I'm going to have to play around with this. I really like the packaging for it. Looks really cool. And let me just put this on. Oh yeah, I'm definitely going to need the bigger band. That was the problem I ran into with the Galaxy watch, was that it was so small. So these are easy to change. Just hit this button here and it slides out. Slide back in. There we go. Ready to go on my wrist. Oh yeah, gives me way more space in there. Way more room, way more comfortable. Okay, so I will play with this as well. And if you have any questions about the Pixel Watch 2, please feel free to send me a message anytime. Thanks, folks.